In this video, I'm making a delicious egg fried rice in my wok. It's got a little bit of bacon in there, which is not supposed to be in there with a normal egg fried rice, but I'm cooking it for me, so it's getting bacon. So let's go back and look at all the steps on how to make it. First thing you want to do is have all your ingredients prepared. Second thing you need to do is have your wok super hot, ready to go. Use the highest flame possible to get this wok really hot before you start. Once I see my wok change color in the bottom here, and you can feel the heat radiating all the way back here, it's ready to go for the oil. In goes the oil. Move it around the wok, just like that. It's going to heat it up faster. Yes, Mum, that's a bit too much oil. Use about half that oil. Use about 2 tablespoons, people. In goes my red onions. Now you can use red onions, you can use brown onions, or you can use shallots. In Asia, shallots are probably more commonly used in their fried rice, in their Asian dishes. I'll put in my fresh chili next. I like to get that aromatic of the chili into the oil. I do use a little bit less oil than this, but hey, this is going to be fine. Just don't tell my mum. Now that's had about 45 seconds to cook. Let's get in the garlic. Do not burn the garlic. The garlic will go bitter. I'm just going to put half a cup of bacon, small diced bacon. As I said, that is not in your normal fried rice, but this is for me and that's what I want. Next goes in the egg and the green onions. In goes my rice. That's 3 cups of rice, cooked the day before, left in the fridge overnight. Look how fluffy that is. That's fantastic. The number one tip I can give you for fried rice is to have your rice cooked the day before. And use a rice cooker. They're fantastic. About 1/8 of a teaspoon of white pepper. This is ground white pepper. About a tablespoon of sesame oil poured around the edge. And then a drizzle across the middle. Unfortunately, my gas jet is not really huge for a wok, but this is the family wok and we don't have a smaller wok. As you can see, I can get by fine. Look how loose that is. Isn't that great? That's what happens when you use rice from the day before. Oh, and that's a long grain rice, by the way. For this amount, I'm using about half a teaspoon of MSG. Hey, MSG, read up on it if you've got your doubts. There's a lot of crap out there about MSG. It's just not true. However, if you think it's going to give you headaches, or it does give you headaches, just don't use it. Add a bit of salt instead, but just be careful because soy sauce is going in next. You'll be amazed at the umami flavour MSG gives food. This is a tablespoon of light soy sauce and 2 tablespoons of ketchup mayonnaise. Give it a stir. I went double ketchup mayonnaise to soy sauce because I love the sweetness and that thick syrupiness you get from a ketchup mayonnaise. There you go, job done. Egg fried rice with just a little bit of bacon extra. All right, let's dig in and have a try. Oh yeah, baby. I so prefer ketchup mayonnaise over light soy sauce. So sweet. Oh, delicious. Oh, and there's a nice kick from the chili coming through. Fantastic. Gotta love that bacon. Oh yeah. Just the right amount of egg. I love those green onions. They're so delicious. So fresh. Oh, it's so good. Do you like egg in your fried rice? Let me know in the comments. I had a conversation once and it got pretty heated. It was like is pineapple supposed to go on pizza argument. Some people have some pretty strong views about egg in their fried rice. You may have noticed that my chopsticks have got white stripes and black stripes. That's so you know that the white stripes is the left one and the black stripes are the right one. No, I'm kidding. Not at all. I've done that joke before. It's probably in one of my other videos, but I can't help myself. I just think I'm so funny sometimes. I'm going to put a link up above, and that's going to go to a video that I did quite a while ago Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next cooking or gardening video. Bye for now.